How to solve do you want to allow this app to make changes in Windows 10 and 11? First, press Windows plus S and search for User Account Control. Click Change User Account Control Settings. You'll see a slider that controls when Windows notifies you about changes to your computer. If you're getting this message too often, move the slider down one level and click OK. Windows may ask for administrator permission. Click Yes to confirm. If the message appears when you're installing or opening a specific program, make sure the application comes from a trusted source before allowing it to make changes. That's it. You've learned how to manage the "Do you want to allow this app to make changes" prompt in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides.